Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is Techie Rick. Today, Xiaomi Mi 10 low light camera test. Already I am post one video. It's daylight camera samples. Now this time I am take shots and video on low lights. How is it Xiaomi Mi 10 perform? It's 108 megapixel camera. It's really good to take low light shots. Everything in this video. Don't skip now. Okay, let's jump into the low light. Using screen recorder, it's 60 megapixel view. It's not bad. Nighttime, it's 108 megapixel view compared to 60 megapixel. It's little bit not good. Okay, I'm switch the video department. It's a 8K footage. It's 90% black. Okay, I'm switch 4K 30 fps, 60 fps, 720p 30 fps, 180p 30 fps, and see guys, 1080p 60 fps versus 480p 60 fps and 8K also same 90% darkness. Okay, now I'm here 18th floor. It's without night mode 108 megapixel shot. It's not bad. Without night mode it's much better. Clarity it's compared to it's good. Okay, next same place with night mode shot. See guys, it's very clear. It's amazing compared to without night mode. Just see guys, left side without night mode, right side with night mode. It's crystal clear. Good. Okay, just I'm here in room inside. It's a 8K footage. See the footage. Just I'm crop the footage. It's nighttime. It's quality. It's really amazing. Okay, just I'm record the 8K footage in room indoor. The time 9 p.m.
就要去通话一下远方。